I know, I rang up the wrong vacuum. Remember?
Do you have the other one with you right now?
No, they were both on clearance.
Ma'am, do you have your license on you?
Yes.
Can I have it?
This is ridiculous. I rang up the wrong freaking vacuum, an unintentional mistake. I just spent $250 for $20. This is ridiculous. This is so ridiculous.
Is this your correct address?
Of course.
What's a good phone number for you?
Like I said, I went through like her receipt that was on her phone. She had like $211 unscanned, but there's no codes on it, and it's not some other things.
Okay.
But she's saying, you know, she needs to get home by she's like, you take everything back, but you know, I need something. I can't turn it out. So I need her card or something for her.
Oh, you want to take all her items back? That she didn't pay for?
No, I'm just let her keep everything they work and say.
Okay.
Okay.
Because you're being trespassed in here.
Okay, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Where do you work at?
I don't work, I'm disabled.
What were the items that weren't paid for?
Where were you born?
What?
Where were you born?
What do you mean where? In a hospital.
Where at? What state?
Michigan?
All of it is unpaid for.
I'll be right back.
No, actually, hang on. Honey. Can I see that video one more time? And you're not free to leave.
Oh my god, dude. I can't do this. You don't understand. I have a kid waiting for me. I just spent $250. I didn't do this intentional. I don't work here. I don't know how this works. I rang up the wrong vacuum. Oh my god, dude.
42.
Mom works here. Like, I'm gonna steal from the place my mom works. Give me a break. None of this was done intentionally. I assure you. I will pay for it. I have the money to pay for it. I don't work here. I don't. This is ridiculous. They need to bring the registers back to normal, and maybe this shit wouldn't happen. I've seen that guy following me around the whole store. Like I'm going to do something intentionally when I know somebody's following me around. Anyway.
Attention Walmart customers. Time is now 10:56.
So
We'll be
ridiculous.
closing in 4
I
minutes.
can't even believe this.
Your capable Walmart will be closing in 4 minutes. Please make your way to the front so you can check out.
All of that wasn't scanned. Did she pass points of sale?
That is bullshit. That was not scanned. Maybe it's mis-scanned. Bullshit. And it got deleted off my receipt because I did not scan it. Okay. This is on here. This is on here. This is on here. So, you're crazy. Okay, here's this right here. So why are you lying on me? Here's the paintbrushes. This looks like real. That's on here. It's right here. Right here. Right. First thing. First thing. Oh, and wait, I have something on here that I didn't buy. I scanned something that I didn't get. I get credit for that?
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay? I'm gonna ask you a question at the end. I just need you to ask.
Listen, no, he's lying about
Okay.
that
Okay,
is
well,
on
we're gonna
the
ask you-
receipt.
we're gonna
Listen,
ask you-
I can't do this.
What's her name?
My kid.
Like EBT.
Where's your kid at?
Paula. All right, Paula.
I have done nothing wrong.
Paula.
I'm
Wait, give me a
calling my
second.
lawyer.
Paula's come right back here.
Grab her.
I'm just gonna read you your
Excuse me,
rights.
I'm
Here.
not going anywhere.
Okay.
Don't touch me, please. Please don't put your hands on me. I'm calling. Oh,
right.
what are you talking about?
Stop resisting.
This is all on video. I'm not resisting.
Stop tensing.
Okay, call a lawyer. I want a lawyer. Call me a lawyer, please. Somebody call me a lawyer. I can't believe this is happening. You guys, I can't believe this is happening. This was an accident. Are you kidding me right now?
Stop turning towards us.
You're not listening to me.
We tried to talk to you and you just kind of walked away.
Didn't. I didn't. I tried to call a lawyer, and I have that right.
Yeah, at the jail. Not right now.
No, I can't go to jail.
Where you're going now?
I can't. You don't understand. I can't. I have a child at home.
Who's with your
He
child?
doesn't have a father. He's dead. I don't.
So who's with your child now?
My mother.
Okay. Well, he's with her.
No,
All right, I'm gonna read
I can't do this.
All right,
I can't.
listen.
No,
You have the right to
somebody help
remain
me.
silent.
Please, somebody help me, please. This is not right.
Paula,
I didn't do anything wrong. I swear I didn't.
Okay. Well, we're gonna give
Then
you.
why are you doing this to
All right,
me?
listen.
It was
You
an
have the right to
accident.
remain silent.
Please help me, somebody. This is wrong. This is so wrong.
You have the right to talk to a lawyer.
This is so wrong. Please, somebody.
Paula, do you understand the rights I just read to you?
Yes.
Okay. With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
No.
Okay.
I want to go home. to my
You're not
son.
going home now. You're going to bed.
I haven't done anything wrong. I didn't even leave the store. I did not even leave the store. I never even left the store. Please don't do this to me. You don't understand.
Do you know how to do an escort?
Please.
You know how to do an escort?
Please don't do this. Please. Please. You can't. I'm hurting. Please. Can I please talk to you? Please. Please. No. It's my kid's last day of school. Ow. I can't believe you guys are doing this to me. Do you see this? Do you see this over an accident? Over an accident? Please. You're hurting me. Oh, I can't. I have a bad back. I'm not even joking. I was just in an accident. Would you please stop? You're hurting me. I'm not joking. Stop. You're hurting me badly.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, you don't understand. I am disabled.
All right,
You
listen.
think I'm kidding? I'm
Walk.
not kidding. You're hurting me so bad.
Can you open that
No,
door?
I've never been in jail before. Please don't do this to me. Please. I beg you. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. I promise you I didn't. Please. Stop. I can't believe you're making me do this. It's making me feel like this. It was an accident, I swear to God. Why would I spend $250? Please. Please.
Come up here, stand up here. Face the car, spread your feet.
I can't do this.
Spread your feet the best of your ability.
Please.
Spread your feet the best of your
Please,
ability.
I can't. Please. Please. I promise you I didn't do it on purpose. I swear to God. On my child's life. Please.
Listen, Paula.
Please.
We were trying to give you the opportunity to
I
cooperate
tried
with
to.
us.
I didn't do it. What did I do?
No, you did not.
Try to
What
walk
did
away.
I do?
You try to walk away.
No,
We're
I
asking you
didn't.
questions.
I
You're getting
No,
smart with the
didn't.
questions.
I did not. This is hurting me.
I mean,
Oh my gosh. You
made
guys
for
don't
comfort.
understand. I didn't do anything. This isn't fair.
you
This
stop
isn't
turning?
Right. I'm freaking out.
right,
This
but we're
hurts really bad. Oh my God, I was willing to give it back. I was willing to pay for it. It was a freaking accident. I don't work here. I rang up the wrong item.
You didn't ring up multiple items. You just started
I
stuffing
didn't
clothes
do
in the
it.
bag. Stop talking for a minute. You want to know what's happening? I will tell you.
I didn't do
Don't
it on
interrupt me, though.
purpose.
I'm not going to talk to you if you interrupt me, okay? So it's time to listen.
I didn't do
Okay?
it on purpose.
You're literally on camera stuffing clothes in the bags
At the register.
without scanning them. You
I
scanned,
thought
you
I
paid.
scanned
You didn't
them.
do that. You
I
just,
thought
you
I
just
scanned them on the as I went. It was an accident.
not hand by hand like that.
It was
Absolutely
an
not.
accident.
It's not an accident.
Yes, it was.
Well, listen.
I swear to God, it was an accident, and it was
lawyer.
under $100.
Okay, whatever. We're not talking anymore.
See, why won't anybody listen to me? It was an accident.
We gave you that opportunity.
You don't let anybody
No,
talk.
I tried
keep
because
talking.
you won't listen to
Because you
me.
keep talking. I can't explain anything to you.
I am trying
Listen,
to explain to you what I did.
The more you talk,
Oh my God, dude, you guys aren't right. You guys are not right. I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to
You're not.
explain to you, and you're hurting.
just because you talk a lot doesn't make you right. That's what you're
Why
doing.
are you being nasty?
I'm not being nasty.
You are being
You've
nasty.
already resisted us. You
No,
sit
I
here and
have
scream,
not
won't
resisted
walk.
us. I just want help because this is wrong. I was not stealing.
So
I
you
just spent
steal, and I'm wrong.
$250. I didn't steal on purpose. I never even left the store. I never even made it out the door.
Yeah, you made it into the past point of sale.
No, I didn't.
I literally watched you on camera. You were literally on camera.
Okay.
You literally have 8 people
After
watching
him walking me out.
What
What are you
talking about?
talking about, dude? This is crazy. I can't believe this.
Is she good? Is she sir?
I'm being
All right, let's
railroaded.
get in the car.
I can't. You don't understand. I can't. It's my kid's last day of school. Please don't do this to me.
Here we go. Step
I
in there.
can't go to jail. I'm gonna
Step in
throw
there.
up. I'm gonna throw up.
Sit.
Please don't do
Sit.
this.
Sit.
Go back.
Sit.
Keep going in. Keep going
I'm
in.
begging
All the
you.
way in.
Please.
All the way in.
I'm begging you.
All the
please.
way in.
Oh my God, I'm
There
begging
you
you,
go.
please. I can't. I'm gonna, dude. I need my medication. I can't do this.
Okay.
I'm gonna
I'll tell you
be
what.
sick.
I'll tell you what. We'll just call EMS. They can check you out. Once you're clear, you're going to
No.
jail.
How old are you?
I'm 45.
All right, what's your complaint?
Yeah, please. She did mess with herself. He's showing the video of her actually bagging. She's like just shoving that like.
Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and call EMS.
Yeah, how many EMS?
Huh?
Yeah, go ahead. She's just like shoving.
Morning, Joseph.
Can you start EMS for a 44-year-old female complaining of back pain and anxiety?
No, I was open door.
I can't breathe. I really can't breathe. I'm not joking.
Why can't you
I
breathe?
can't breathe because I'm having an anxiety attack.
Okay.
I'm not joking.
Take a few-
You think I'm kidding?
Take a few
I'm
deep
not
breaths.
kidding. I can't.
Take a few
I
deep
can't
breaths.
breathe.
Take a
I
few deep
can't
breaths.
breathe. I can't. Oh, please. Oh my God. Please help me. Please.
Take a few deep
I
breaths.
can't. I'm gonna
Breathe.
pass out. I can't breathe.
Okay.
I can't. I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
Not taking. We have EMS
I'm not
coming.
joking. Please help me.
We have EMS
Please
coming.
help me. Oh my God. I need my mom. I need my mom. I need my mom. I can't breathe. I can't.
Okay,
I
EMS
can't
is-
breathe.
EMS is coming.
I
Check you out.
can't breathe.
EMS is
I
coming.
need help. Oh my, I can't believe this is happening.
No, we'll fill it out.
I'm not joking.
tell
I've
them to bring a copy
never
at a later time.
been in trouble in my life. I've never
I
done
just need you to do two things.
I don't.
Statement,
I never done
video.
that. I know.
So we're gonna bring him a copy?
I can't
Copy
breathe.
receipt. We'll bring it to him.
Please.
After we're done?
Please help me.
It's not open.
Please. I can't believe this is happening. Get up.
Paula,
What?
stop screaming.
I can't
The more you scream,
breathe.
the worse you're
You
not
don't
going to breathe.
understand.
Okay?
This is. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't
Paula,
understand.
Paula.
You don't understand.
Take a few deep breaths.
You don't understand. I'm not healthy. I'm not healthy. I'm not healthy. I didn't do this intentionally. I
Paula,
swear to you.
No,
I swear
you were
to
making
God.
it. You were making it impossible to explain anything to me.
You've already explained it to
I've
me.
tried. I've tried to give you more detail, but you just keep screaming at us.
I just want to go
Okay?
home.
So here's the deal. We get called here because you were stuffing clothes into a bag without scanning them. Okay?
I thought I scanned them on my phone. I
Paula,
scanned.
listen,
It was an
if-
accident.
If it was like one piece, I can understand.
Listen.
You're stuffing handfuls.
No,
okay?
it was 2 bathing suits.
No.
It was an accident. Yes, the other stuff that he
Officer-
said wasn't
Officer-
rung up
Officer
was
Reyes,
on the
Was she
register.
stuffing handfuls into bags? Yes.
No,
She
it was 2 bathing suits, and I thought that it was scanned on my phone.
I can absolutely
I
show you
thought
the
that
video.
it was on
okay?
there.
I will,
didn't scan it on the register. I did the phone scan thing.
Yeah, but you didn't do that with those.
I didn't know. I didn't. I swear to God,
Okay.
it was a $10 bathing suit, and I spent $250. Why would I do that? I promise you, it was not on purpose.
Give me 1 second. Okay?
I promise you.
Give me
Please
1
don't
second.
shut it. I can't breathe.
I-
Please
the
shut
window's
it.
open. See, the window's
Please.
open.
I'm claustrophobic.
Move your knee.
Please.
On what?
I don't.
said they have a camera, not stuff and stuff.
Apparently, from what he said, is if she uses the scan and go feature, she scans it somewhere else. Once she gets to the register, she don't have to scan it.
110
She just got to pay for it.
Yeah, so you grab items, scan it with your phone on the Walmart app, and then it tags into your virtual card.
You have to go to a register and like scan the barcode.
Can you pay on the phone?
Yeah, there's a little like QR code. Once you get to the register, you scan that with your phone.
But you can't just pay it on the phone automatically. Like Sam's, basically. It's the same company.
Yeah.
You can go to Sam's, you can select all the items, scan it, and then swipe to pay and walk out.
She has to actually walk to register. She can't just walk out.
Oh, so she can't pay on the phone?
She has to be at a register.
My only issue with this is us asking her for this is what proves her innocence.
What's up?
That card is what proves her innocence. That's the only way we can determine
She
something.
actually came close.
So us asking her, that can incriminate herself. So wouldn't that fall on
Yeah,
I'm freaking out. Oh my god.
How did she scan the different bag?
So all you need to do is bring your phone up to the UPC, scan it, and then you put it in your cart, and then you're good to go.
Oh, so this was part of the scan and go type.
Yeah, but she scanned a different back end.
And took this.
The wrong spot when she scanned it.
No, you don't scan the label. You scan the actual barcode that's on the box. This barcode, right? When we started getting business, she said that as well. She said maybe I scanned the wrong one. But you're literally scanning the whole different back end.
Do you guys see her scanning throughout the store, or you guys only saw her once you got here?
At the time, we saw her. We saw her in the garden center. Oh, you actually did see her in the thing, right? Yeah. Did you see her pick this up?
She her pick the clothes up.
She already had them. So she already, we saw her in the garden center. And it looked like, at first I thought she was going to try to push out. So I was over there, and I had him go back to the camera. And then I was following her. She was in the garden center, she went down there, she has it on that camera. She went down to back out, she has it on 9. And then, I'm not sure if she grabbed anything else. We had to check camera footage. Came down this way. And then, we were looking at the photos. I know she got back there. And then grabbed nothing else, came to the self-checkout. So, this is all the stuff she paid for. So, do you want me to return this or like what?
You gotta get this man. She might be unarrested because we can't. That scan to go. I gotta have proof here. I know you've physically seen it, but I need to see it. For me to look at somebody's phone, I need a warrant.
We need to do that.
So give us a minute. So our understanding here, they do a customer service. She's super nasty.
Hey, can I talk to her by myself for a second? Like, by myself. Hi. What's your name?
Paula.
What's your name?
Paula.
Paula. I'm Sergeant Lena, Lena Police Department. Okay. Look,
It was an
I
accident.
don't know what happened.
You're
Okay.
railroading me. I promise you it was an accident.
Well, it could be an accident or not, but
I'm so scared.
what are you scared of?
I can't go to jail.
Okay.
I can't go to jail.
Well,
I have
here's the
muffins
thing.
with Mom.
So
My
you
son.
don't have to go to jail tonight, okay? But I need you to be honest.
I'm being honest.
Okay.
It
So what happened?
I did the scan as you go
Did
thing
they,
on my
read
phone.
did they read your rights already?
They
Hey,
started to, but they didn't finish.
Anybody read her?
I did.
You didn't finish. They came and grabbed my phone. I'm telling you, you didn't finish.
Well, you said that you didn't want to talk. You don't want to talk to us.
I'll talk to you. It's your
Can you
call.
read her again? She's gonna read you again, okay?
Can you say you hate that?
Like, what's he writing in the statement? Do you have his statement yet?
No, he's in there.
So how does he know what she stole and what she didn't steal?
So she's on camera, like shoving bags, handfuls of clothes in bags.
So did she?
He's saying he checked her phone receipt, and none of that was on there. I can't do that.
But where's the phone receipt? Can he bring it up?
Not till tomorrow,
Oh, well,
unless he has her card.
then we let her go, and then we go. I'm coming. I'll be right there. Then we let her go, and we write the NTA tomorrow, and he can pull the receipt up.
Yeah, he screwed us when he can't pull it up. Unless She lets us use her card. You can go and scan it. You can pull it up right away.
Her card? She's not going to do that.
Yeah, no. She's not guilty.
Oh, you have her card.
Yeah, it was in her wallet. We haven't done anything with it. I was going to ask her permission for it.
She's not going to give you permission.
Unless you want to try.
Yeah. Okay, look. So here's the thing. Okay. So I know you're using the scan as you go. Okay. And if they're trying to railroad you, okay, I can see if they're trying to railroad you by scanning your card, your credit card, because it will show me the receipt. Do you want me to do that? If it shows that you paid for that stuff that you
No,
scanned.
it was an accident.
What do you mean?
The thing is, you rang it with scan it with your phone.
Right.
And it didn't scan. I didn't not ring it on purpose.
Oh, is
I
there
brought
some
it up
stuff
to
that didn't scan?
Yes.
So what do you think didn't scan?
These bathing suits.
So is it just the bathing suit?
I don't know. They
don't
were
know.
they were lying and saying other stuff didn't, and I showed them on the receipt 4 things that they said that didn't ring up,
So you
and
think-
were on the receipt.
Okay. So do you think it's just 4 things?
I don't know.
Do you want me to check? Because maybe
I don't care. I'll pay. I offered to pay for them. I did.
Right.
I swear to you, I didn't do this on purpose.
Okay.
My mom works here.
Your mom works here?
Yes. I just spent $250. I asked the guy to show me where the scan was for the basketball and the soccer ball, the football that I bought for my son.
Right.
I did it I put them in the bags at the register.
So what do you? So you think it's only like 4 things that 4 bathing suits?
As far as I don't know.
Okay.
What they're saying.
Do you want me to scan your card and get the receipt so we can see?
They have my receipt.
I don't think they do. That's what I'm saying.
I gave them my receipts. I gave them my receipts.
Well,
one was
I'll
on
check.
my phone and one was on my. I had 2 receipts.
Okay.
I had food.
Because I don't. Because here's the thing. I don't want them doing anything to you that.
They just wouldn't listen to me.
I know. That's why I want to try to go get it. So do you want me to go get the real receipt and make sure and line them up and go one by one?
Okay, listen.
And make sure they're
but
not.
I'm saying. They showed me that there was something that wasn't on the receipt.
I know.
But I didn't do it on
But
purpose.
here's the
is
thing.
What I'm saying.
They're saying there's like $600 worth of stuff that's not on the receipt.
I didn't even buy $600 worth of stuff.
That's why I'm telling you. Do you want me to go see?
Absolutely. There is not $600.
All right. Hey, can you go get that receipt? And we want to make sure we go one by one.
Ask her that's the card she used.
Is this the card that you use that's attached to your account?
Yes.
To your
Yes.
app? Okay.
Yes.
Go one by one so we make sure that they don't get charged with anything that you didn't.
And there was something on there that I didn't have. I didn't have in my card that was on the receipt.
That was
I
on the
don't know.
receipt?
I don't work here.
Okay.
I swear I would never jeopardize my son.
Okay.
He's all I have.
Okay. Well, the only thing I ask for you is to just be honest with me.
I'm being honest with
because
you.
if there isn't tons of stuff that you can get, you can get a ticket here tonight.
It wasn't intentional. Whatever isn't on there, I promise you, hand to God, it was not intentional.
And if that's the case, and they go through that, you can get a court date because you're being honest with me.
I'm being honest.
So if you're being honest with me and they want to press charges, we can look about getting a court date.
And I rang up the wrong vacuum. Like it was.
You rang up the wrong vacuum?
Yes.
So did you ring up like a?
It was $89 worth of $100.
So it was an $89 vacuum, and how much was the one you walked out with?
$100. It was
$100?
a clearance thing. They were both on clearance. I scanned both of them to see
which one was better price.
And yes, and I grabbed the opposite one. It wasn't like I didn't. I swear to God.
You didn't hit those guys or anything when they stopped you or anything.
Absolutely
Did you pull away from them or push them or anything like that? No.
No.
Okay.
That's $36. That one's 58.
So she scanned something else for this.
Yeah.
Okay. Stolen. I'm gonna move this.
Air dump.
You know what card number?
Stolen.
Yeah.
Stolen.
Last 4 digits.
What was the last four of the card then? What was that?
Guarantee this is stolen.
1384.
1384?
Oh, I don't care. It's just gonna.
No.
Didn't pay for it, right? No, I figured. Pool lights. Guarantee you she didn't pay for this. There's a lot of stuff you didn't pay for.
What? Please explain to me, because I promise you.
You didn't pay for any of the clothes.
I told
You didn't pay for any of the shoes. You changed the price on numerous items.
I didn't change the price. I told you I scanned it.
Yeah, and
Sir,
I said that, and what I did was even to
Sir.
to see, you can't scan the things on the.
Yes, you can.
No, the app won't let you.
I did it. I promise. I will show you. I swear on my son, I did.
Okay.
I'm not lying. Listen to me. Look at me. I swear on my son's life.
Well,
I would not.
They're getting a
I
receipt
would
to see
not
what the total
do
is.
this. I would not risk my sons. I would not. I have all my sons.
They're going to refund you for everything. Okay.
I will pay for everything.
But they're just refunding you for everything. They don't want your money. So they're going to refund you for everything.
I didn't do this.
Okay.
On purpose. And it does let you scan it on the thing. I did it. I promise you. I scanned it on the barcode on the shelf.
Okay.
I promise you.
Okay.
I swear to God on my son's life. I would not lie.
All right, I believe you.
But you're telling me that I'm lying, and I'm not lying. I swear to you.
The app tells you right there, don't do the barcodes.
I didn't read the app.
Okay.
And I rang up a pair of shoes and I put it back when I was standing at the register. They were $25. They were a pair of clogs.
Okay, well, they're trying to figure it all out now. So once we know, then we'll know.
And all of the shoes and the clothes were the first things that I did at the beginning of the store. I got my food and then I walked through the store. But I swear to God, I didn't. I swear to God, I did not do any of it. An accident.
Here, come here. Come out. You can come out. Stand up. Stand up for me. I've been real cool with you, right? So I want you to be cool with me, okay?
Can you help me?
Yeah.
I really am disabled.
All right,
They don't believe
just
me.
slide. I believe you. Here, come on out. I'm gonna let you cool off a little bit, okay? They're pretty loose, man. They're pretty loose.
I understand, but do you see?
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a second set
don't
on
understand.
you. You said that you have a hurt back, okay? So I'm gonna.
Yes, it's digging into my skin.
That's why I'm gonna put a second set on.
Why do I have to be handcuffed?
Because right now you're detained.
I thought you said I didn't have to go to jail.
I said, hold on. I didn't tell you anything. I said we're waiting on the paperwork. I don't know. It's not my decision.
Whose decision is it?
It's gonna be after we look at all the paperwork and see what was actually taken.
I didn't take anything. I never even left the store. And I offered to pay for it.
I know.
I can't do this. I can't.
You're doing fine.
No, but you don't understand my son.
I understand. I have 3 kids myself. I understand.
I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail for many reasons.
I know.
You don't know. You really don't.
Ma'am, if I was in your situation right now, I would be saying the same exact thing as you. I have 3 kids. I understand.
Do anything.
Stand out here. You can cool off for a minute, okay?
Nobody is believing me, though. You people think I'm lying, and I swear.
Who's you people?
All your associates.
I'm just here. I'm a third party.
They told me I was lying, and they were very mean to me and rude.
That's what I'm saying. Maybe your mom can call and put a good word in for you or something. Who knows?
Please don't be a smart. This is my life.
I've been so polite to you.
I know, but
I'm trying to help you. But now, when you're going to talk to me like that,
how am I talking to you like what?
when you talk to me like that, when
Like
I'm trying to
what?
help you,
I thought you were being a smart.
I wasn't being a smart. Yeah, but you said your mom works here,
She does.
right?
She does.
She's got to know the managers, right?
Yeah.
If my mom worked here, I'd have somebody call my mom and say, "Hey, mom, I just got in trouble for taking stuff out of the store."
I don't know her phone or my heart.
Where's your phone?
They took everything. Needs some back.
Officer Reyes, he was going to explain to you what's going on tonight, okay?
Alright, so after the whole investigation was done, it was uncovered that
What started as a routine, late-night shopping trip spiraled into a chaotic, emotionally charged arrest that left everyone involved shaken. The incident unfolds inside a Walmart just minutes before closing, where a 44-year-old woman, later identified as Paula, finds herself at the center of a misunderstanding that rapidly escalates into handcuffs, panic, and an ambulance call. From the very first moments, the tension is palpable, raised voices, confusion at the self-checkout. and a growing sense that no one is truly hearing the other side. Paula's frustration begins at the register. She insists she rang up the wrong vacuum by accident, claiming she paid $250 when the item in question was only around $20. In her mind, the mistake is obvious and unintentional. She repeatedly emphasizes that she does not work for the store, doesn't fully understand how the scanning system works, and never intended to steal anything. To her, the situation is ridiculous, a simple error that should be corrected, not criminalized. Store employees, however, see something different. Asset protection, flags unscanned, items and contacts, law enforcement. Officers arrive and begin asking routine questions, license address, phone number. But Paula's agitation grows with every passing second. She feels accused, cornered, and judged. The more she talks, the more the officers attempt to regain control of the situation, asking her to slow down and listen. Instead, the encounter becomes a feedback loop. Paula speaks faster and louder, out of panic. While officers interpret her behavior as uncooperative, as the store announces it will close in minutes, the environment becomes even more pressured. Paula insists she never left the store and therefore cannot be guilty of theft. She claims some items scanned incorrectly or were deleted from her receipt by the system. At one point, she even notes that there's an item on her receipt she didn't. By asking if she should receive credit for its on argument she believes proves her honesty, but the officers focus on what they say is video evidence showing her placing items into bags without scanning them. This is where the interaction takes a sharp turn. Paula asks to see the video again. She's told she's not free to leave. Her stress skyrockets. She mentions having a child, waiting, says she's disabled, and repeatedly begs the officers to understand that it was an accident. When told she's being trespassed from the store, she reacts with disbelief, then fear. Her voice cracks as she pleads, insisting she has the money and was willing to pay for anything missed. The officers attempt to read her Miranda rights as she continues talking over them, demanding a lawyer, crying out that she has never been in trouble before. She oscillates between anger, desperation, and terror. At multiple points, she says she cannot go to jail. She mentions her child's father is deceased, and that her mother is watching her child. Details that underscore how overwhelmed she feels in that moment. As officers move to physically escort her, Paula begs them not to touch her, repeatedly stating she has a bad back and was recently in an accident. She cries out that she's being hurt, that she's disabled, and that she's never even left the store. Her panic intensifies into what appears to be an anxiety attack. She screams that she can't breathe, begs for help, and asks for her mother. The emotional distress is raw and unmistakable. Officers, following procedure, place her in the patrol car while calling EMS. They instruct her to take deep breaths and reassure her that medical help is on the way. Still, Paula continues to plead, insisting she didn't do anything wrong and swearing on her child's life that the mistake was unintentional. Her distress is compounded by confusion. She genuinely believes the phone scan system caused the problem, not her actions. As the scene slows, a critical detail emerges. Officers and store personnel begin discussing how Walmart's phone scanning system works. Unlike Sam's Club, Walmart requires customers to scan items and then complete payment at a register. It becomes apparent that Paula may have scanned items incorrectly, scanning the wrong barcode or scanning a similar item, leading to discrepancies between what she thought she paid for and what the system recorded. One officer even notes that a particular card or phone record could prove her innocence, but accessing it would require consent or a warrant. This revelation changes the tone. The discussion shifts from certainty to uncertainty. An officer acknowledges that if Paula scanned items elsewhere on her phone, it might explain why they weren't properly registered at checkout. Another officer suggests she might be unarrested if proof can be established. The same behavior that was earlier framed as intentional theft is now being reconsidered as a possible technological misunderstanding. Yet, the damage has already been done. Paula has spent nearly 20 minutes in a state of acute emotional distress, restrained, humiliated, and terrified. Even as officers attempt to calm her and explain what's happening, she remains shaken. Her repeated insistence, "I didn't do this intentionally," echoes throughout the encounter, becoming the central theme of the night. This incident highlights a growing issue in modern retail policing: the intersection of automated checkout technology, human error, and law enforcement response. Self-checkout systems and phone-based scanning apps place significant responsibility on customers, many of whom are unfamiliar with the nuances. A single misscan can instantly transform a shopper into a suspect, especially when store policies prioritize loss prevention over clarification. From a legal standpoint, the situation is complex. Retail theft statutes vary by state, but intent is often a key element. Paula's defense hinges entirely on intent or lack thereof. Her willingness to pay, her high total purchase amount, and her claim that she never left the store all support her argument. On the other hand, video evidence showing items being bagged without scanning gives officers probable cause to act. At least initially. Emotionally. This encounter is a case study in escalation. Paula's panic, response crying, yelling, rapid speech was interpreted as resistance, while officers' firm commands and physical control measures amplified her fear. Neither side successfully de-escalated early on, and the result was a traumatic experience that likely could have been avoided with clearer communication and patience. There's also the human cost. Being arrested even briefly is not just an inconvenience. It's a deeply distressing event, particularly for someone who claims to have never been in trouble before. Paula repeatedly says she's disabled, in pain, and suffering from anxiety. Whether or not every claim is verifiable, the distress she experiences is undeniable on camera. For viewers. This incident raises difficult questions. At what point does a store mistake become a criminal matter? How much responsibility should customers bear when using increasingly complex self-checkout technology? And how can police better balance enforcement with empathy when dealing with emotionally overwhelmed individuals? The officers, for their part, are operating within a system that demands action once theft is reported. They rely on store employees, video footage, and standard procedures. Yet this case shows how quickly certainty can crumble once all the facts are examined. The mention that a simple phone record could prove her innocence suggests that the arrest may have been premature. In the end, the video leaves viewers with a lingering sense of unease. Regardless of the legal outcome, the experience itself was punishing. Paula's repeated cries, "I can't breathe, please don't do this. I didn't do anything wrong," serve as a reminder that justice is not only about enforcing rules, but also about understanding context. This wasn't a high-speed chase or a violent crime. It was a misunderstanding at a checkout register that snowballed into a full-blown arrest scenario. The stakes felt enormous to Paula because they were personal, her freedom, her child, her health. For the system, it was another call, another report, another protocol. As self-checkout technology becomes more widespread, incidents like this may become more common unless safeguards are improved. Clearer instructions, better error detection, and a willingness to pause before escalating could prevent similar outcomes. Law enforcement agencies may also need additional training focused on de-escalation when technology-related confusion is at play. Ultimately, this bodycam footage captures more than an alleged theft. That captures fear, frustration, and the fragile line between a mistake and a misdemeanor. It challenges viewers to look beyond the surface and ask whether the response fit the situation. And it leaves one undeniable truth on record. Sometimes, the most intense confrontations don't start with criminal intent, but with a simple scan. Gone wrong. If you found this breakdown insightful, like the video, leave a comment with your thoughts. And subscribe for more real-world bodycam analysis. Your engagement helps bring these conversations into the spotlight where accountability, understanding, and better outcomes can begin.